Welcome to my channel. There are many different types of AquaSonic Duo dual-handle ultra-whitening 40,000 VPM wireless charging electric toothbrushes available, each with different qualities, advantages, and costs. Be sure to read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Complete Oral Care for Two. AquaSonic Duo provides complete oral care in one simple countertop setup. The Duo features two modern smart toothbrushes with the latest oral care technologies including ultrasonic 40,000 vibrations per minute motors, true wireless charging, 4 unique modes including modes for whitening teeth and gum health, 30-day battery life, in sleek midnight black and optic white brush handles. The Duo comes with 12 additional accessories including 10 DuPont brush heads and 2 travel cases. Modern technology for a healthier smile. Each Duo toothbrush brings your oral health routine into modern times with its built-in enhanced features. Super fast wireless charging, 3 distinct brushing modes, and a smart vibrating notification timer are some of the enhanced features built into the sleek and ergonomic waterproof black and white satin handles. Convenient modern home and travel setup. Duo is perfect for couples, kids, or anyone in between. A simple dual wireless charging dock takes up a few inches of countertop space while adding a sleek modern element to your bathroom. Duo's 30-day battery life means it's also perfect for travel. Simply put your Duo in its included travel case and take it on the go while leaving the charger at home. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.